Back on the 2008 Envoy, I've got a great opportunity to show you what a bad wheel bearing sounds like. So let's take this for a quick ride. What you'll hear is a hum that gets louder as the faster that I go. Slows down with vehicle speed. So I got it jacked up with a jack stand, and it sounded to me like it's coming from the left side. So when I spin this, you can definitely hear it. 18 millimeters on the caliper bracket. Okay, got a hook to hang this caliper bracket on so we don't hang it by the hose. So we got 1, 2, 3 bolts back here, and a sensor up front, and the nut. The new bearing comes with the sensor already installed, so instead of trying to undo this and break it, you just replace the whole wiring up to this clip right here. Pull up on that, slide these, taking our screwdriver, undoing these frame clips, super simple. This one just pries out. .36 millimeter. Spray this up real quick. Here, so I'll just put a on there. So that was not too bad. So I'll just clean up the inside of this, put it all back together. Gonna touch up this outside ring also.
Take our wire, put it through the backing plate. Referencing our up. Okay. The sensor was pointing towards the back of the vehicle, so it sits in that little slot right there. Wire. Loosely get this up here. A little bit of anti-seize on the bolt. Get this top bolt in from the back to get it started. Hold the whole thing together. Get our second bolt started. Alright, those are all started by hand. Now I will snug them up. Now I gotta torque those up. Lower back on. Get our bolt ready. Caliper. These go to 118. Okay, the washer is built into the nut on this. I'll get this close with the impact and then torque it. The only trick you can do for this is to put a screwdriver in the rotor, and that will keep it from turning, so you can torque up this nut. Axle nut says 103. All that's left is routing our wiring and put the wheel back on. So these are the triangle clips that you just pull out and then just push right back in where they came from. The first one goes, you have to go under the brake hose. I'm just going to lay this under the brake hose and then back over. This first one gets clipped into right here. And this one with the two studs just goes in here. Well, I'm going to have to clean that out. I'm not drilling these out, just cleaning up the rust. Okay, well, it should just fit in there. Okay. All right, this clip here is hiding under the control arm and fits in a slot right here. Okay, there's that one. This one since they gave us a new one with a stud, so I'll take this one out, punch it in. So I'm going to just go in that hole. And this one I'll just plug into here. And this goes up into there. So that's the whole wiring there, up under the control arm, into there, into there, and there. All that's left is to put the wheel on, torque the lug nuts. You want to tighten these up just enough to get them tight, drop it, and then torque them. Lug nuts get 100. Alright, now let's take it for a ride and see the difference. Alright, new wheel bearing is in. Take the same road we took when it was loud. Alright everybody, so let's talk about time and price to do this. So this is where I got the bearing. It was from AutoZone, and it was $129, $139 with tax. So I'm going to give this bearing a shot and let you guys know if it lasts or not. But so far we've been driving it around all week and it's been fine, nice and quiet. So another thing I like to do is to see what this would cost to have done at a shop. So you just go into Napa's website, you come down here on the right to repair services, repair estimator, and scroll down here and we'll select our vehicle. This is an 08 Envoy, GMC Envoy. Put it in your zip. Select vehicle. Now we'll come down here to suspension, steering, and wheels. Now we'll look for wheel bearing, wheel hub assembly. Alright, wheel hub assembly replacement. Get an estimate. So here you can see that this job to have done at a shop would be anywhere from $517 to $1059. So this is per side also. Let's just say it's the cheapest. We saved $378 doing it ourselves, and on the high end we saved $920 per side. So this would give you an idea of what you could charge someone if you're doing this job also. But time to do this whole job was about, with the wheels off, about an hour and a half, so it wasn't too bad. Huge difference, night and day. That's a fix. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one.